can take the profit. Looking at my girl, like what a goddess. Thank God.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the zoo. Right now I'm just waiting for my cousin. I can pick him up and then we'll be going. It's 4 o'clock, like it's just after 4. They close by like 5, so we're trying to make it there before they close. I came out pretty late. We're trying to get there before they close, but then if we get there and we can't do it, we'll just look for something else to do. So I'm waiting for him and then we'll be going. So I'll see you guys. Most of the animals were either sleeping or they just weren't coming out, so I couldn't see a lot, but I saw the bear, giraffe, I saw antelope, and I saw some other animals, but like the main ones like tigers that I wanted to see, I couldn't see them because they were sleeping. Like I couldn't see them, you know, in action. Do I even mean? Actually way too many people outside, like. Hey guys, so I'm at the mall. Time is, I think it should be like 6 o'clock. I left the house so late today and I ended up coming to the mall by this time. Anyway, so yeah, I just got a bikini from this store, and yeah, I'm going to be working it probably tomorrow maybe. So I'm going to continue looking around, see if I can get other stuff that I'd want to buy. I'm going to take you guys with me, so let's go. I feel like eating one of these fish. Good afternoon. The time is 4:50 right now. I am at Kiev River Port, trying to get on a boat cruise. Right now I'm just waiting for my friend to come. Yeah, and then we'll be going. The boat is going to be moving in like 20 minutes. The boat is going to be moving in like 20 minutes. So yeah, you guys, please remind me to always check the weather before I leave the house, because I'm wearing shorts. Like I'm wearing shorts and I did check the weather before coming out and it's so cold. Like there's a lot of breeze, but thank God I got my jacket. So you guys can see it's blowing my. I hope you can even hear me. These are the boats. This is probably the one we're going to be using. I'm not sure yet though. Or that one. I'm not sure yet really. But yeah, we just got our tickets and we'll soon be getting on it. You guys, we missed the bus. Did I say bus? We missed the boats. the boat for 5 p.m. So now we have to wait for the one for 6 p.m. And right now is 5:40. Anyway, I stopped at McDonald's, so I just decided to get something at McDonald's. I'm going now because they're boarding already on the ship, a big boat.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So we're going over to this hotel because we want to see if we could book. We're trying to go swimming tomorrow, so we want to see if we'll be able to book. Just getting back home, everybody's like, I love the light stuff, so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just getting back home now, and as usual, I'm just gonna shower and then I'll sleep. Oh, I'm going to try and finish editing this vlog. I'll edit this vlog before I go to bed. I'm tired. I'm really tired, but I'll try and edit the vlog before going to bed. So, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me.
Hey guys, so I'm currently at City Beach Club. There are not so many people here anyway. I actually like the fact that there are not so many people here because I can relax, you know, and just chill. I'm just going to chill here for like an hour or so, and then we'll be going. So I got my drink. Let's go. I don't think I'm going to swim.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers.
Why you want my entry first though?
You know it's about 5 minutes.
Oh Jesus.
Wait, I'm not going to pay.
It's downstairs.
Oh, okay. Hey.
Oh my god. Wait, what's happening now?
So, maybe you know, maybe you don't know about it, but this is the haunted house. With lead actors. We have 3 types of the show: the light version, medium or middle level, and the hardest one.
Hardest,
Hardest, I think.
For children.
Let her finish.
Well, the first one, here you will be chained up or tied up in a dark labyrinth. You need to free yourself and help each other. So you need to find the key or something.
Sorry, no.
I see right there.
It's not funny. Okay.
That's the first one. Right.
Yeah, this is no. This is the hard level.
Okay.
Yeah. So chained up or tied up, you need to free yourself, help each other, and after that you need to go through our labyrinth. There you need to go through one room, another room, and do some tasks from our actors. So this is like escape room a little bit. Well, and if you do everything well and go straight and together like cool team, you maybe find the way out. This game lasts for 40 minutes or for an hour, but it actually depends on you. So if you need a little bit more time, okay. If you can do this by 25 minutes,
It's cool.
Just like your hands. I have to
Give me your hands, or give me your neck or leg.
Our neck.
Carry like that.
In a box.
Yeah. In a box. The whole body in a box.
I don't want this. I don't want this. don't box.
I don't know how in English will be when the person is dead in how this box called.
Oh, mommy. Is it a mommy?
I don't know if scary movies, guys.
Okay.
Say, come here.
Oh.
Come in here. Okay.
Give me your profile, please. Thank you. Well, look, we make a payment before the game.
You guys just finished. Jesus. Ah! Hi guys, editing Diane here. So I lost the clip where I was explaining everything that happened in the haunted house. So I just have to like insert this clip into the video. You guys, the haunted house, Jesus. That thing was scary. It was scary, but then the thing is that when you're dealing with Africans, there's this thing, your evil something cannot work. So let me tell you guys what happened, yeah? I just knew. Somehow I was scared, but then I felt like I was just feeling like something was going to go wrong, or something was just going to happen that would just make everything like turn out bad or something. So we went into the place now. I think I was on a chair, so they put me on a chair and then they tied my neck. I was the one that did not come and put padlock around my neck. They put padlock around my neck, and they think Jesus will allow it? No way. So everybody was supposed to find the key and like free themselves. I think they chained Stefan's leg or so. Someone was trying the coffin. Someone was in the coffin. They chained somebody else's leg. They were just doing lots of crazy shit. So we were supposed to find the key and like unlock and then free ourselves. Then start the go into room. They'll be scaring us, that kind of thing. You get? I was so scared. Everywhere was like so dark. So I was looking for my key. Like, I knew when somebody came to put the padlock and everything on my neck. But then I was looking for my key when it was time to look for the key. I'm not finding my key. That's how everybody now finished finding their own key. They freed themselves. Everybody now came to me. That's when I knew that show was over. Because I couldn't find my key. So the actors and the people that were like doing the whole haunted house thing, they had to come out. They were now looking for the key too. Because them too, they could not find the key. I was just like, what the hell? I was just like, what is that supposed to mean? But then at the end of the day, they couldn't find the key, so they had to like break the padlock, and then we wasted time in that place. I swear the show was just over because we were already talking with the actors, like people that were meant to scare us. You get? People started having conversations with us, like they're asking us where are we from. We were just having conversations inside Scary House because everything had already gone wrong, so they didn't know what else to do. So they just had to like start talking to us and all. So at the end of the day, the thing was not even scary like that anymore because we already knew that, oh, these people are actors. We already talked, but then they were just like, it was just, Sha, it was nice. We had to go through the rooms. They were still trying to scare us, Sha, but like, we weren't so scared. They were tasing the boys. Thank God they didn't even bring that taser close to me. But they were tasing the boys and they were just trying to scare us. Anyway, it was a nice experience, Sha. I enjoyed myself. Just that, like, it was just so funny that I had to be the one. Like, I had to be the one that the key will now miss. Can you imagine? But like, all in all, I had a good time. So I'm definitely going to try it again. Yeah, alright. Go on with the vlog.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
I can only use 5,000 greenies. Rice without stew. Possible. Anyways,
Okay, how many people? 6 people.
all of you get free plum.
Спасибо большое.
Man tricking the cutter.
Just for the girls. Oh, you guys got taste and just... До свидания. Хорошо.
Also when we're going outside.
Okay, say it.
Say it now.
Everything we need.
go out, you go in front of us, and then you start screaming, I love Ukraine, I love Ukraine. Oh yeah, what's yours?
I want you to do, when we go out, you'll be away from us, not even close.
Because we don't know you.
We don't know you. I need you to shout, I'm gay.
Yes, please, I want that one. I want that one, please. Guys, what should I sit now?
We got everything we need right. Watch me.
I'm gay, I'm gay, I'm gay.
Yes, I tried.
Wash it over.
That's the name.
Shush, shush.
You get clients to start
Everything we
it.
need right.
This will start it.
Come on, let's go.
You must remember. Not yet, not yet. Yeah.
Hey.